Rhythm games have a relatively long history. Their popularity perhaps started with 1996's game Parappa the Rapper, but don't forget 1998's Dance Dance Revolution and 2005's genre-defining Guitar Hero. Rhythm games can be some of the most engaging iOS games out there, featuring fun music to play along to. Many of these games are also visually interesting and unique, and these are some of our favorites. BeatStar. One of the most important aspects of a rhythm game is its responsiveness to player input. BeatStar is impressive in this regard, with its smooth visuals and varied choice of music compared to other rhythm games. Its user interface is sleek and easy to navigate, and there aren't too many ads throughout the game. It's free to play and you can unlock lots of great songs as you progress. You can also pay to add more songs instantly for a small fee. This may net you some in-game gems to further fill out your playlist. But overall, the best part of this game is the reactivity and variety of songs on offer. Rhythm Go. This game is super satisfying, with vibration feedback on every beat you hit. It's filled with vibrant art style and graphics, and the gameplay is a unique take on the typical rhythm game format. You play as a small surfer character and move around the screen to hit the beats. This game has some excellent features, like the ability to dress up and customize your character. There aren't many free songs to choose from at first, but you can gain some new ones by collecting the in-game currency of soda cans or what you can add. The game is free to play in this way, but you can also subscribe to a Golden Pass, which unlocks all songs and removes ads completely. Magic Tiles 3. Magic Tiles is a good rhythm game with pretty standard gameplay and a good mix of songs that can be unlocked by watching ads. But the feature that makes this app stand out amongst other rhythm games is the Battle Game mode. This allows you to play against other users to see who can play the longest without making a mistake. You can play this multiplayer mode with up to 4 players. Magic Tiles 3 is a free to download and play game, but a weekly subscription allows you to remove ads, unlock all VIP songs and also download songs for offline play. Beatblade. Beatblade combines infinite runner type games and rhythm games into one package. You control a running animatronic character and slash the beats as you come across them. It's a unique take on the genre with many great songs to choose from within the music library. You can also unlock new songs by watching ads. Another feature in this game is the ability to choose which types of blade your character uses, among a few other customization options. Beatblade does however have a few in-app purchases and some in-game currencies. There's also an option to remove ads and unlock all songs for a fee. Looper. Looper has a unique concept compared to classic rhythm games. You tap on the screen on each 2D object to start moving a glowing ball around the outline, which in turn starts a different beat. The objective is to make sure each piece is moving in harmony and playing the beat without intersecting. This seems simple at first, but levels quickly increase in complexity. The game is free to play, but you can opt to pay for a VIP mode, which removes ads, unlocks all levels, plus 20 special levels, and on top of that, you can gain access to exclusive content. For additional game suggestions, check out the article linked below. See you next time.